Hello friends, today we'll be unboxing the ADATA ED600 2.5-inch external hard disk drive and solid state drive enclosure. This is a rugged enclosure manufactured by ADATA, and this is available for a price of around 830 rupees on e-commerce websites. So you can see the word durable printed here. This is a rugged hard drive, and at the back you can see the specifications. The interface is a USB 3.2 Gen 1 max 5 gigabytes per second, and its operating temperature is 5 degrees centigrade to 50 degrees centigrade, and it requires a voltage of 5 volts 900 milliamps. So, and it supports operating systems of Windows XP, Vista, Windows 7 to Windows 10, Mac OS X 10.6 or later, and Linux kernel 2.6 or later. So you can see here that it's also compatible with USB 2.0, and the MRP price quoted on the box is 2000 rupees, Indian rupees, and this is made in Taiwan. This is shock resistant, IPX4 water resistant, and IP5X dust resistance. This is manufactured by ADATA, and it comes with a 1-year warranty. So to open this, you need to break the seal at the top. That's it. And the reason why I take care in unboxing these devices is because I buy them with my own money, and these are not review units. I have to be careful while unboxing them, because if they have any issues later I have to return them. So that is the reason why I unbox them carefully. And you can see the USB 3.0 cable, A to USB 3 cable, and you can see two spacers. These are foam spacers. This is a thin spacer, and this is a thick spacer. So you have the words thicker and this written here. So I'll show you where you can place these once we open the actual hard drive enclosure. Here you can see the enclosure. Here it's rugged plastic. Here the ADATA branding is there, sort of metallic finish on top, and you have to open the tab like this. And once you open the box, here you can see that this is made of silicone material. This is not plastic, this is silicone. So this will not create any static discharge, and is also very good for heat dissipation. Here it says engine data life. I'm not sure what this is. It says waterproof and SATA 3.0, 6 Gbps, waterproof rating IP54. So once you close the lid, it gets a waterproof seal around the hard drive. You can fit a SSD or a HDD inside this, and then over here on top of the drive you can put the spacer for a much tighter fit inside the box. So this is the one. So to demonstrate how an SSD fits, I have an 870 EVO here that I had recently unboxed. So let me put this drive inside this enclosure. This is the Samsung 870 EVO, and these are the ports. You have to make sure that you align the right over here with this connector over here, and it slides very smoothly like this. See, the drive is inside the case now. You can just close it, and it doesn't make any movement inside. The drive is not moving even though I shake it, and it's pretty tight. This offers a seal, and on this side you can see a rubber flap that is protecting the USB 3.0 port. So this creates a watertight seal. So if this gets wet also, the port will not get wet, and the hard drive inside is also securely protected. So I have purchased this to install an SSD in this for carrying my data, instead of purchasing an external SSD, which are very expensive. I purchased an internal SSD, and I can use it with this case, and I can upgrade it in the future as well if I want to go for a lower capacity or a higher capacity. At present I want to use it with a 500 gigabyte Crucial MX500 SSD, but later in the future, if I'm buying another 1 TB drive, I will use it in this. So this 1 terabyte Samsung drive will go in my current desktop, And this is a very portable and lightweight drive. So compared to a regular external hard drive, this is pretty lightweight, and it's also rugged and shock proof. So that's it for the quick unboxing and first look at the ADATA ED600 rugged HDD SSD enclosure. Thank you.